Robotic teams have already established your landing site here at the North Polar Cap. Your mission is to get to that site. Your flight path to Mars will take you around the moon for a lunar gravity assist. But even with that slingshot assist, your trip will take 3 months, so we'll have to put you into hypersleep.
Hypersleep activated.
Don't worry, it'll only seem like a second or two to you. I'll give you a wake-up call when you get to Mars.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Okay, now listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll fire the thrusters for lunar orbit insertion and for descent to the surface of Mars. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger the second stage rocket and also deploy the shields. Commander, you'll be responsible for first stage separation and activating manual control for landing. Engineer, when it's bedtime, you'll activate hypersleep. You'll also extend the wings for landing. Don't worry. When it's time to push the buttons, they'll light up. Then I'll give you the go. One last thing. In the event of an emergency landing, there are control sticks at every crew position. Okay, Lieutenant. Any final instructions for the new kids?
When the flight bay doors open, follow the markings on the floor to your capsule. Then move all the way across, taking your crew positions in the cockpit, and stow all personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down your restraint. They're all yours, Capcom.
Well, I guess that's everything. Good luck, Mars team. You are on the clock.
Sickness bags are located on the instrument panel.
Pilot, the X-2 is an excellent ship. All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shields. Surgeon, how are we doing?
Commander's pulse rate is a little high.
Commander, everything's A-OK. Just concentrate on your assignments, first stage step, and manual control. Engineer, just a reminder, you'll activate hypersleep and extend the wings. Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff of the first mission to Mars.
Mission Control, this is the firing line. Give us the go, no-go for launch.
Network. You will go for launch.
We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours. Mission Control to Mars
tower is directly over your Mars landing site.
Proximity alert.
Pilot, deploy the shields now.
Shields deployed.
Hang on, team. We're getting you out of there right now. Navigator, fire rockets for descent now.
Rocket fired. 200 miles to planet surface.
Engineer, extend wings for gliding now.
Computer override. Wings extended. Initiating auto landing sequence.
We've lost autopilot. Commander, activate manual control now.
Activated.
All hands on the control sticks. Pull back. Pull back. Left. Pull left. Watch the canyon wall. Now right. Ease it left.
They're coming in too hot.
Back to center. Hold it steady.
Runway ends in 1,000 feet.
Pull back.
200
Watch
feet.
the barrier.
50 feet.
Pull back. Hang on. Down and clear.
Location, canyon edge.
Move a muscle. Good work, team. You made it to the landing site. Welcome to Mars, and welcome to the astronaut corps.
Okay, heads back. Releasing restraints. Now, put the restraints up. Gather all your belongings. Follow the arrows to the advanced training lab for further training.
That does it for today's adventure. If you're new here, please subscribe. Take it one step further and ring that notification bell. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big old like and a thumbs up. It lets me know you care. I'll see you in the next video. Right on.